welcome back. Okay, today we are going to the chapter unit 5. And what is the chapter name here? The grasshopper and the ant. The grasshopper and the ant. What is a grasshopper? Nowadays we are listening that everywhere in the city grasshoppers, that is locusts, are spreading far and wide, and it is causing many harmful effects on the crops, isn't it? Let me check what it is. See this? This is the grasshopper. See, grasshopper looks like this, and this is the ant. So we are telling the story of a grasshopper and the ant. So what does the grasshopper do and what is the ant is doing here? That is what the story. Okay. Okay. Now see, I am going to tell the story what it is in this lesson. In the wilderness, there is an ant hill. In that ant hill, there are many thousands of ants. So what they are doing means the ants are working very hard. The ants are working very hard and they are storing food because that is summer season. See, the ant stores food only during the summer season. Okay, because they can't come out during the winter season or rainy season, isn't it? See, that's a tiny small creature. It cannot go outside and they gather the food during that times, that seasons. So what the ants are doing? The ants are working all throughout the summer season, gathering food, collecting food into the ant hill. So likewise, the ants in that particular story, all the ants are going one after the other, and they are carrying food and storing it to the ant hill. So while on the way, they are seeing a grasshopper. See, the ant is carrying food to his ant hill. What is the grasshopper doing? See, it is teasing. Hey, there is no work for you. Always you are gathering food, collecting food. You don't have anything. Come back, come with me and play. See here, it is asking. What is the grasshopper doing? See, it is fiddling in the guitar. See, it is playing and fiddling in the guitar. So it is not working, it's not gathering food, it is not even bothered. When the rain comes, what can we do? Where will we go for food? It is not bothered. The the grasshopper's work is only playing, and it loves to sing and dance with this guitar. So this is what this grasshopper is doing. So what happened? The summer season completed. All the food grains were stored into the ant hill by the ants. After that, winter season came. So when it was winter season, everywhere that the snow was falling down, and it was very wet, icy, chill. All the cold winds brought very chill winds. So what did the grasshopper do? It cannot go outside to play. It didn't have even food to eat because it didn't store food in the summer season, isn't it? So what it do? It is crying. It started crying. That day itself, ant told, no, you should have stored food. It is my mistake. What to do now? How can I go and ask the ant food? Okay, I am very hungry. What can I do now? And he thought like that, and he went to the ant hill and he knocked the door of the ants. The ant opened. Why have you come here, grasshopper? Why did you come here? The ant is asking. I am very hungry. Please, ant, give me some food to eat. No, I am very hungry. Like that grasshopper asked. But the ant told, no, I have gathered only food for my family. That day itself I told you, I reminded you to gather and collect the food and store. Why didn't you do that? Now I have collected food only for my family, so I cannot share with you. So grasshopper is telling, sorry ant, I realized the mistake now. Hereafter I will not commit the mistake. The same mistake I will not commit again. Please give me some food. I am very hungry, he told. So the ant told, okay, come. This is the first and last warning. Hereafter don't do that. Okay. Okay, then grasshopper promised. Then the ants gave him some food and it was fed. And he promised, the grasshopper promised the ant, he will not commit the same mistake again and again. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? See here, about the grasshopper was idle and lazy, whereas the ant were very hard working, isn't it? So they got the result. So they were safe and healthy. What will the grasshopper do? Because of their idleness and lazy, the grasshopper was starving without food, isn't it? So what is the moral of the story is, there is a time to play and there is a time to work. So at the time of playing you should play, at the time of working you should work. So what did the grasshopper do? All the time it was playing, it did not do any work, isn't it? So that's the moral. There is a time to play and there is time to work. Okay, children? Read this, listen to did you listen this? So go through this story again and again. Okay, see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.